Hi students, the today topic that is electric field. It's from your 12th standard physics, volume 1, lesson number 1, electrostatics. The topic itself, the meaning is there. Electric field. Electric means electric charges. There are two. One is plus, another one is minus. One is positive charge, another one negative charge. The field, that is the influence. Electric means electric charges. Field is the influence. The influence of electric charges. The topic itself, we can understand the meaning. The influence around the electric charges. The space around the electric charges which its influence has felt. That is a concept we can understand easily. Here we are going to take an example. There are two charges are here. One is plus, another one minus. It's having certain field. The another one that also having certain field, that is the influence. It is depending upon the quantity, amount of charge. These are interacting each other. Its influence are interacting each other. That will experience a force. It may be a force of attraction or repulsion. Surely that we know here there are two dissimilar charges here. What type of force will experience? It's a force of attraction. If it is similar charges, that will experience a force of repulsion. Okay. So how can we express the formula? Electric field, that is the influence around the electric charges. It may be a positive or negative. The force experienced per unit positive charge. For single charge, how much force that will experience around it. If you are taking minus charge, how much force, electric lines of force that will experience around it. So how can we define it? The force experienced per unit positive charge or force experienced per unit negative charge. Another one example. We are taking a charge plus, it is placed at A. Let us consider a charge plus at a point A. We are taking another one charge at some distance from the first one. It may be positive or negative. We are going to testify the influence of first one. How much influence is having? If you want to test that first charge plus, we can test with the help of plus or minus. That are two choices are here. The second charge plus or minus. First we can take the first charge plus. We are moving towards the first one. The influence will interact with each other. That will experience the force of repulsion. The another case, if you are taking a minus charge, moving towards the first one, these influences are interacting each other. That will experience the force of attraction. So this is a testing purpose. We are taking two charges. The first charge is having certain influence. It is depending upon the quantity, the amount of charges. It's having some influence. How can we testify? It is depending upon the test charge. So we can find out the influence of plus or minus, whatever it may be. With the help of this expression, we can find out easily. Force experienced per positive charge, unit positive charge, or the force experienced per unit negative charge. Or we can set force experienced per test charge, the Q naught. Okay, that's a test charge that we can express as Q naught. The unknown notation, the formula is there. E that is equal to electric potential by distance. These are the two expressions. Two formulas are here. Based on that, we can find out the unit also. Force per unit charge. It may be positive or negative. Here we are telling test charge. The testing, it may be by positive or negative. So force in Newton, charge in Coulomb, Newton per Coulomb or Newton Coulomb power minus 1. What is the another way we can get the unit? From this unknown notation, E that is equal to electric potential by distance. Electric potential measured by the unit volts by distance or length, that is measured by the unit meter, volts per meter or volts meter per minus 1. So we have two type of derived units. So what is action at a distance? There are two charges, whether it is similar or dissimilar. These influence the field of each charges. These are making interaction. That interaction will experience a force, may be attractive or repulsive. These are the action. The force of attraction or repulsion. These are the action happening at a distance. So definition, how can we define it? Already I told that one. The concept oriented answer. What we can understand from the topic, the field around the electric charges or the influence of electric charges, or we can set the space around the electric charges which its influence has felt. The another way, what is in your textbook? The force experienced per positive, unit positive charge, or the force experienced per unit negative charge, or else we can define it in the way of force experienced per unit test charge. These are this electric field measured by the unit Newton Coulomb power minus 1 or volts meter per minus 1. Okay, thank you.